Hey guys, Mr. Guy Games here, and today I'm doing another video. In this video, we're unboxing a Pokemon box, so let's get to it before I run out of space. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So, got these. Okay, open this. Let's hope we get a Mega. I'll show you all the cool cards. Of course, I'm getting a Xerneas EX, so, yep. So we get, of course, Xerneas. Now, let's see what else we get. That, and all the other ones, all these. Let's see what we get. So we get an earring. I'm not even going to show you any of the bad cards. Legendary, Carbon, Ultra Ball, Panel Pad, Protection Cube. Oh, I got Protection Cube. That's awesome. And of course, 2 of these so far. Now, let's hope we get a Mega. Spritzy, another Pal Pad, Butterfree, Magnetic Stone, oh that's cool, Torkoal, Milk Tank, and another one of those, of course. So we got 2 cool cards so far, and I'm pretty darn sure we're not getting a Mega. Yep, not gonna get a Mega. So now, Swirlix, Phantom, Lollipop, yep, NK, Leadbay, I don't know. Venusaur EX! I already have the same, well, almost same exact one, but yes, 2 EXs, Herdier, Legendary, NK, and another one of those. So, now, 1 more pack, and I'm definitely not getting a Mega. I just know that. I just know that, I can feel it. I'm not getting a Mega. Not at all. Not in a million quadrillion years. Okay. I had scissors in handy, so. Okay. Let's see. Okay, now, Remoraid, Dynamo, Lapras, Houndour, Solstice, G-Scope. Looks cool. Got a G-Scope. It's like a sniper. This attack does 100 damage to one of your opponent's benched Pokemons. That's awesome. Machamp, Chariot, Team Plasma. That's cool. And another one of those. So, no Megas, but some pretty cool cards. We got 2 EXs, a Protection Cube, and a G-Scope, whatever the heck that is. So, yeah guys, that's about it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. If this happens to be the first video you've ever seen by me, please subscribe, and likes would be appreciated. So, see ya. Bye.